So this is my requirement. I got a table source. I call a table destination. Table source will have ID and name. Destination also will have ID and name columns. And at the same time, I'll also have three tables. Table insert, table delete, table update, TBL. Okay? TBL underscore insert, TBL underscore delete, D means delete, TBL underscore update. All the three tables will have for ID and name. Okay, instead of insert ID, I have given ID. Instead of name, I have given N shortcut. Okay, ID and name. Or else I'll write it here. ID name. ID name. Okay. Table insert, table delete, table update. My requirement is that the user will update the table throughout the day. He will update the data, he will delete the data, he will update, delete or insert. He will do all the operations. But my requirement is that, so assume today is Jan 1st. Today Jan 1st, what user did? This is the first day. So user added three IDs, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A, B, C, D as a name. On Jan 2nd morning, I should write an automation process. What the process should do is, okay, first thing, it should compare the first one. It should compare source and destination. Okay, source and destination. And what it needs to do, it should check the source and destination. It should see if the record is not there in the destination, that is nothing but the insert. Okay, if the record is there in the destination but the name is not same, then it is the update. If the record is there in the destination but not in the source, that means the record is deleted from the source. Now, first thing what we do, since we don't have any records in the destination, so all the records will be going as inserts. 3, 4, A, B, C, D. So what I will do here, now I will insert all the 3 records into this, 4 records into this table. Before inserting into the destination, first what I do, I will insert all the records into A, B, C, D into this table, insert table. Then after that, I'll truncate the destination table and insert whatever the data I got in from the source. I'll insert that into the destination. That is a Jan 2nd morning. Okay, it is assume that it is morning 2 a.m. 2 a.m. my process will run and it will update the target table. Then again, as it's a morning 2 a.m. right? Then after 7 or 8 a.m. again people will come and people will again update the second record as BB, and they'll insert a new record called 5E, and they'll delete a record 3C. Okay. Then what? And this is on Jan 2nd. After 2 a.m. once you are done with the process, because no one will do anything in the morning, right? So once you are done with that, they come to office at morning 8 o'clock and they started this they updated the table. And again on Jan 3rd, what you have to do, you have to compare the data between source and destination and see how can you identify which records were inserted into the source. You can check if the record is there in the source, but if it is not in the destination, that means that the record is inserted in source. So 5E is inserted. So you will insert 5E into the insert table. Then you will check for the updates. How you will check for updates is you will join both the tables and see wherever the name got changed. Name is not equal. So if you see 1, name is equal. So that is not changed. 2BB, yes, this is changed. Name is not equal, right? So name is not equal because you got B here, you got BB. Next, 4D, that is no change. Okay, 5E, it is the insert, so we already inserted. We are good with this. Okay, we are done with this. Next, you got 2BB, that is the data which you want to update it. So you will add 2BB. Then again, you will check for the delete. Okay, how do you check for the delete? Means the record should be there in the destination but not in the source. That is a delete. So you will delete since you are deleted 3C. Okay, see 3C is there in the destination but it is not in the source. It means that the 3C should be deleted. Right, it is a deleted record. So you will have the 3C. Once you are done with all the process, then what you do, you again truncate the entire table, truncate the destination and insert the data from again load all the records from source to destination. So when you load, you will have, this will be removed, you will have 2BB, 4D and 5E. This is on Jan 3rd morning. Assume that this process runs every day morning 2 a.m. Now again on Jan 3rd, the user will update 5 to 5EE, okay, and you will delete 4D in Jan 3rd. And when you come to Jan 4th, when you run the process at 2 a.m., this is Jan 4th, 2 a.m., okay, then again you should compare between source and target. See, 5E is updated record, so you'll have 5E. There is no inserted record, but there is a deleted record 4D, so you'll insert the 4D here. That's it, done. Once you are done with all the updating, inserting, and deleting into all the three tables, then you'll truncate entire table and refresh again whatever data you got in the source, you'll restore it again. That's it. So whatever process runs at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., that process, you should write that process and make sure that it satisfies all the conditions.